Hey Russell, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. First of all, I just wanted to reference that the reason we contacted your company was because we've noticed that there is high search volume for the services that you offer, in this case landscaping. I'll explain a little bit more in detail. However, I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic all on your own. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Russell. It's a good website, of course. When I go through your website, I see you have great photos and you have a good layout. The navigation is simple. All the links are working fine. Everything is clickable here, making it easier for your end user to contact your company, which is great. So you have a good website here. Unfortunately, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, Russell, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that search end users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping, right? Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. So again, this is your homepage here. I don't see any content, maybe just one sentence. But we could always improve on that if you like. Now for backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into Ahrefs here. So this is a paid tool. This is a great tool to have, Ahrefs, if you want to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. So this is what you're at. Currently, you have 30 keywords. In a monthly basis, there are people jumping onto your website organically at 45. So 45 people are jumping onto your website. Backlinks, 199. Referring domains, around 7. The DR 1.5 and the UR 7. Now, the UR and the DR meter is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings is through backlinks and citations. A citation is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website, and that could be something as simple as a clickable URL or clickable word or keyword, whatever you want to tag it with. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's good practice. It will give you a better boost or better preference when comparing to one of the websites via Google. Yes, this is where you currently have. So basically, you keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. You are decreasing or going down in the rankings and the AR rankings, so be careful. You do have 7 referring domains, but you need higher relevance or higher authority on the backlink that you're tagging to your website. So don't just get any how should I say, any backlink. If it's not relevant to your industry, it's just going to hurt your website. So you really want to be careful on that. So again, 45 are jumping onto your website organically on a monthly basis, around 45, but you are losing clicks here, unfortunately, -7, and you see here going down in the rankings. So let's move on to one of your competitors. Oh, also before we do, I notice you have a 403 here message. Something's wrong with your website. It's forbidden. Some users will not be able to jump onto your website, so you want to take care of this little error here, 403. Just an FYI. And also, let's move on to one of your competitors. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Midland Landscaping Experts. As you can see, they do have more content, way more content. They have optimized images here, which is something you would need to do with your website to get more traffic. On-page SEO is very important with off-page SEO. If you need me to explain or elaborate more on that, I can. Just let me know if you're interested. What they have going behind the scenes, though, they have 53 keywords, traffic 147, and they are improving, plus 61 you see here. Referring domains 80, backlinks 166, the DR 17 and the UR 15. All right, so comparing it to what you have going behind the scenes, you have 199. It looks like you have more backlinks, but referring domains, you only have 7. So these are the unique backlinks. This is just one website. Of course, they have 80 and 53 keywords. This is very important. So again, they could do better. They're getting 147 traffic, but this is a good spot to be at, I would say. And looks like they are working with an SEO agency. You can see them improve, but they also going down dramatically. Yeah, I would need to see more as to, provide a better understanding as to why they're really going down in the rankings and then going up. Anyway, so yeah, the keywords 53. This is what they have going behind the scenes. This is their keywords. Keywords list. Landscaping, Midland, Texas. So in a monthly basis, just for this keyword, you have 300 people jumping onto Google and making a search with this keyword for the services that you offer. Sprinkler repair, Midland, Texas. This one is 50. So let's combine the two, 350. These two keywords alone are great to have onto your website. You might want to catch these two, add them onto your website, and add some traffic onto it. Well, not traffic, but citations and backlinks. So imagine these total of 300 people for these two keywords are finding you instead. That's the whole point of SEO, Russell, is to improve on your website, to optimize your website, and bring in more traffic. And that's how you bring in more traffic, with better content, good quality citations, and good quality backlinks. Remember, do not get those backlinks that are not relevant or have anything to do with the industry of these services that you offer. Okay? Well, Russell, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. If you are already, handling the amount of work that you could handle, let me know. No harm, no foul. That way, I won't be sending you follow-up emails, annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions, Russell. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.